Do you have hard water? Because I do, and it's horrible. But guys, I love my Norwex microfiber. It truly never fails to lift, grab, and trap all the dirt and grime, and it even removes up to 99% of bacteria from my surfaces using just water. Norwex microfiber every time pulls its weight in cleaning power, but I can't say the same thing for my water. I would like to introduce you to the Norwex Probiotic Water Booster. It is a very powerful solution for hard water issues. With its naturally effective blend of surfactants and probiotics, it enhances the cleaning power of water, allowing us to tackle stubborn stains, spills, grease, and grime on various surfaces very easily. Hard water is caused by high mineral content of calcium and magnesium. And honestly, it can lead to numerous cleaning, even personal care issues. So how to tell if you have it? If you notice like a white film or even deposits around your sink faucets, it's definitely a clear indication of hard water. Hard water also gets into the cracks of our floors, our granite, and other hard surfaces, making them very difficult to clean. And it can also lead to buildup over time. The Norwex Probiotic Water Booster is a solution I've been looking for a while to help with those hard water issues. It leverages the power of probiotics to trigger enzymes that come in and break down visible hidden stains, even in the hard to reach areas. Plus, it's safe for us and the environment. It is USDA certified, 76% bio-based. You won't even need to wear gloves when you use this product. It's so gentle yet effective on various surfaces. So far, I've used it on floors, countertops, stainless steel, and today I'm even going to use it on a few more. So using Norwex Probiotic Water Booster alongside the microfiber will allow for a very easy removal of tough stains, grease, and other grime. Couple cool things about it. The surfactants in the booster, what they do is they surround and loosen particles, enables them to easily be lifted by the microfiber. Meanwhile, the probiotics that are in it release enzymes that come in and break down soils and stains, even odors, allowing us to have a very thorough clean. This concentrated formula not only saves me a lot of time, but it's also saving me money. With just one bottle, I actually can use it in my spray mop attachment for the floors. I can use one bottle to fill the spray mop up 4 times. I can also dilute this in a forever bottle with water, and it would give me 2 16-ounce forever bottles. It is safe on wood, tile, vinyl, stainless, marble, granite, copper, glass, even our unsealed grout. You can even save an extra percentage on this if you enroll it in our auto ship program, which is pretty awesome. Using the Norwex Probiotic Booster is super simple. For the spray mop attachment, you just add 3 tablespoons of concentrate into the reservoir and fill the rest with water, shake it well, and then start mopping. For the forever spray bottle, you want to add 6 tablespoons of concentrate, fill it with water, shake well, and then directly spray it onto the surfaces, followed by your Norwex microfiber to lift all the grime and gunk and up to 99% of bacteria. So I really hope you enjoyed this video learning about this product. I'm super excited about finding a solution for my hard water problems, and I'm very happy to say goodbye to those stubborn stains and hello to a cleaner, easier, much more efficient cleaning routine. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.